back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about two Coach bags. I wanted to talk about the lovely Coach Meadow Shoulder Bag in two different canvases or leather. Let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's get the bags on the screen. Let's talk about the Coach Meadow Shoulder Bag. So here is my latest addition to my collection, you guys. This is the Coach Meadow Shoulder Bag in Signature Canvas. I actually think it's in khaki. That's what it's, Signature Canvas, but they're calling this the khaki. You know, sometimes they have different shades of the trim. Sometimes they call it the redwood and different shades. This one is the khaki. You guys, I'm gonna put the picture right here of when I found this bag at TJ Maxx. I still have my tag on it right here from purchasing at TJ Maxx. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and clip these tags off so I could start wearing this lovely bag. A while back, I said no more Signature Canvas on my channel, you guys, but I had to go ahead and renege on our deal. I had to go ahead and renege on my promise of no more Signature Canvas, because when a big beauty like this comes in, I mean, it's just so much material on this bag. I couldn't just leave her hanging there. I couldn't leave her all by herself, you guys. I had to bring her home with me and add her to the collection. I'm loving her. Plus it's useful. It's a very useful bag. I don't just like to just, pick up a bag that I can't use in my collection that's just gonna be sitting on a shelf. We don't want our bags to just sit on a shelf and collect dust. We wanna use our bags. We want functional bags. They're calling this the Coach Meadow Shoulder Bag, and it is a shoulder bag, but it's also like a tote. It's a tote. And it's very useful for me for work because she's so large. She can fit and hold so much. So I have her dust bag in there. Let me go ahead and take that out. But she's so large in there that she'll be able to fit so much. The interior is a lovely burgundy. Now, what was very interesting is, like I said, I might have left her if she wasn't in the Signature Canvas, but I couldn't leave her in the Signature Canvas. Now, I do have this bag already in the black pebbled leather. So here she is in the gorgeous pebble leather. Initially, this was the one I picked up first. Let me move the bag over. I'm disappearing on the screen with both these beauties. But I did pick her up in the lovely pebble leather first. And just like with the Signature Canvas one, when I, picked her up, I was like, oh my God, the leather on this bag, the pebble leather, they're calling it the refined pebble leather, is just so nice. Now, she is a little bit slooshy. I do have some items in here from using her at work. So she is a little bit slooshy right now, but I love her. I love this leather. Coach leather and Coach, Dooney and Burke, Rebecca Minkoff, Tory Burch, those contemporary brand companies, their leather is unmatched. There's so many good contemporary brand companies, Kate Spade, Fry. There's so many good contemporary brand companies that make very good leather, just as durable as like on a Gucci or on a Louis Vuitton or on other luxury brands. Contemporary brands ain't no joke. They ain't playing around with their leather. Michael Kors makes really good leather. So I do like to feature a lot of contemporary brands on my channel as well as luxury brands. Contemporary is just, it's affordable, you guys. You don't have to overreach your wallet or overstretch your dollars or overstretch your wallet when you pick up the contemporary bags from Coach and some of the contemporary lines. And like I like to say on my channel, when you go to the outlet malls, there's outlet malls. I've been to the outlet malls for luxury stores. I know when I went to Disney and I went to Florida, I went to the outlet malls off of I-4. It was the expressway in Florida, and they had Christian Dior. They had all the high-end stores at that mall. I loved going. But also when I go to the outlet malls, like right here in the Midwest where I live, right up the expressway is the Wisconsin Pleasant Prairie shopping mall. I love going to Pleasant Prairie, and I love going to Michigan City and Indiana. And when you go to Michigan City and Pleasant Prairie and Aurora outlets in the Midwest, they have mainly contemporary brands, and I don't see anybody unhappy. I see people walking through the malls happy about contemporary brands. They're happy when they pick up a bag from Coach, or when they pick up a bag from Dooney and Burke or Tory Burch. We're all happy with our purchases. So contemporary brands are just as good as luxury brands, and I love wearing them. I love featuring them on my channel because your everyday woman on the street, you're gonna see people with the contemporary brands. And I much prefer to wear contemporary brands than wearing a non-authentic item. I'm not trying to reach and pretend like I'm wearing a luxury item and buying a fake replica. I prefer to use contemporary brands unless I decide to buy the real thing, to buy a real luxury handbag or a real luxury item. So the contemporary brands, you're gonna see people all over rocking them, and I mean, they're just so wonderful. I love Coach, okay? I absolutely love this Pebble leather bag. What got me off on a tangent just now to talk about all of that was just the durability of the leather. The durability of the leather was what I wanted to talk about with this bag. It's unmatched. I mean, you know, it's just as good as a luxury bag. Anyhow, this is the Meadow. And now, even though I did pick it up in the beautiful leather, I couldn't resist. I couldn't walk away from this canvas, from the Signature Canvas, you guys. I couldn't leave this beautiful bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna pop the tags today because I want to get started with using this beauty at work as well. Like, I've been rocking the Pebble leather, black one. The color on that, I told you guys, was Black Badlands. That's what Coach is calling the black Pebble leather, refined leather. And then now I can start using this canvas one. And these bags are so nice. Now I'm so happy to have added the Signature Canvas one to my collection. And the good thing about the Meadow is it does have the back pocket. You can easily slide something in for access. The good thing about the Meadow is it has a zip closure. So you can go ahead and fully secure this bag and zip it closed so that nothing will fall out. Like I said, like while you're driving and you put her in the seat, in your passenger seat. So she's gonna be my passenger princess, my Coach Meadow shoulder bag. I hope you girls enjoyed my video. Remember to hang out with me for more videos on Coach. Check out my playlist for Coach and other handbags. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope everybody has a good day today. I love you guys. I'll see you soon in my next video. Mwah. Bye.